Have you ever baked a beautiful Bundt cake for a potluck, a party, or as a thoughtful gift, only to wonder, how on earth do I package this so it looks as perfect as it tastes? Well, I've got the solution for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to package your Bundt cake so beautifully. It'll look like it just came straight from a bakery. And no, you won't need a degree in cake logistics to do it. This Bundt cake is for my husband's Christmas potluck at work. I wanted it to look professional and festive, so I'm using a sturdy paper cake box with a plate that comes with the box. Before starting, I make sure to pre-fold all the sides of the box that will need folding later. This small but effective step ensures that when it's time to fold the box around the Bundt cake, everything goes smoothly and neatly, with no last-minute struggles. First, I'm using a cake lifter to safely move the Bundt cake onto the plate that comes with the box. The plate is perfectly sized and helps keep the cake secure during transport. If you're nervous about moving the cake, this tool is a lifesaver. Think of it as a cake's personal bodyguard. I'll link my favorite cake lifter below. I chose a paper box instead of a plastic carrier for a very practical reason. I don't want to wait around for everyone to finish eating the Bundt cake just to take my container back home. This way, I can bring the cake to the party, enjoy the event, and leave without worrying about collecting my dishes. It's a simple, stress-free solution that lets me focus on the fun instead of cleanup. The box is super easy to set up, no complicated folding or assembly required. Just unfold it, slide your Bundt cake in, and close it up. The best part? It has a clear window on top, so everyone can admire your creation without opening the box. It's like a cake display case on the go, fancy and practical. I carefully slide a paper plate with the Bundt cake into the box, pre-folding all the necessary sides beforehand. This makes it much easier to fold the sides neatly once the cake is inside. Then, I gently close the sides of the box and finish by securing the lid, ensuring everything stays in place for a perfect presentation. And the best part? These boxes are not only super practical, but also incredibly affordable. To add a festive touch, I'm using decorative twine. Here's how I measure it. I loosely wrap the twine around the box about 6 times, fold it in half for extra strength, and then tie it across the box with a neat bow. This adds both stability and style to the packaging. And hey, who doesn't love a box with a bow? It screams, "Open me, I'm delicious." Since this is going to a potluck, I'm adding a plastic knife for cutting the cake. This ensures everyone can easily serve themselves, even if there are no utensils available. And honestly, I don't want to guess whether there will be a knife handy when it's time to cut into this Bundt cake. Better safe than sorry. Because, let's be honest, no one wants to wrestle a Bundt cake with a spoon. I'll also link this handy knife below. The finishing touch? Tucking the plastic knife into the bowl. This little detail makes the whole package look polished and professional. Plus, it's practical. And who doesn't love a good multitasking bowl? And that's it. This Bundt cake is now party ready. And I promise it'll wow everyone at my husband's potluck. Just don't blame me if it's gone in 5 minutes. So, whether you're gifting a Bundt cake or taking it to an event, this packaging method will make it stand out. If you're wondering what kind of Bundt cake I have here, it's a gingerbread Bundt cake with caramel filling. Want to make one too? Then continue to my next video, where I'll show you how to bake one. If you'd like to grab the same supplies I used today, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy baking. And remember, a beautifully packaged Bundt cake is basically a mic drop in the dessert world.